Ascribe to Yahuah, all you sons of the mighty. Ascribe to Yahuah esteem and strength. Ascribe to Yahuah the esteem of his name. Bow yourselves to Yahuah in the splendor of Kadeshah. The voice of Yahuah is over the waters. The everlasting thunders. Yahuah is over many waters. The voice of Yahuah is with power. The voice of Yahuah is with greatness. The voice of Yahuah is breaking the cedars. Yahuah is breaking the cedars. Lebanon in pieces. He makes them skip like a calf. Lebanon and Syrian like a young wild ox. The voice of Yahuah cuts through the flames of fire. The voice of Yahuah shakes the wilderness. Yahuah shakes the wilderness of Kadesh. The voice of Yahuah makes the deer give birth and strips the forest bare. And in his hecatomb everyone says the same. Yahuah sat enthroned at the flood, and Yahuah sits aside